Hey guys, welcome to Automate with Amit. And in this video series where we are covering most asked Java interview questions, um, here is another video where we are trying to solve one of the interview question, which is we need to find out first unique character of a string. Okay, so for example, if we have this input. Okay, so in this, basically, we need to find out which is the first occurring character, which is the unique. Okay, so let's consider this string. So here S is again reoccurring, so it is not the one. D is again coming here, so D is again not. F is again here. W is not repeated. Okay, so W is going to be the character. Okay, so we want W to be printed in order to, find out first unique character in the string. Okay, so here is the thing. I have one class, first unique character of a string, and in that, this is public static void main, and in here I have created one method, a public static void first unique character in a string, and it has string as input. So let's understand this thing. What should be the concept or logic behind solving such kind of question? So here, basically, what we are trying to do, we want each character to be counted. Okay. Um, so let's suppose any character, this is small s is there, and we wanted it to be counted again and again. So like how many times this has occurred in this particular string, and if that is the one, like that is the occurrence of that particular character is one, so that is unique. Okay, that is the first thing. But out of all the unique characters, also we need to find out which is the first occurring. Okay, so here like W is first occurring, but let's see which are the other, which are which are unique. Okay, so E is not unique, R is not unique, T is not unique, and V is another one which is unique. But V is not the first unique character. So this is the first unique. So we need to find out two things. First is we need to find out the occurrence of the character, and then we need to find out uh, which is the first one which occurred uniquely. Okay, so let's do this in this way. So to find out any particular occurrence of any character, we are going to use here map, because in map basically we can store in the key value pair. So I am making this character an integer, and in this way I am going to say that this is map new. Okay, so here two things are two types of maps. So map is basically, you must be knowing character. This is okay. Mm, Just a moment. Character. Okay. You must be knowing this map is an interface in Java. Okay, so here you see this is the interface, and this interface is being implemented by multiple classes. Okay, so out of that there are few classes like a hash map, linked hash map, like that there are multiple classes are there, tree map. So like that there are multiple. So which one we wanted to use over here? Because hash map, hash map is the one which implements map interface, but eventually for this particular question, hash map is the not good choice. Why? Because we also want to, while entering, we also want to uh, find out the first occurring unique character. Okay, so hash map, what it does, hash map does not, hash map basically does not maintains the order of insertion. Okay, so because of that, it is going to miss out we are going to miss out the which was the first occurring character. Okay, so let's see. I mean, we are going to see both of them. Okay, so first I'm trying to solve this issue using hash map, and let's see if we are able to or not. If not, then we will see what would be the best way. Okay, so here, so in map, basically, what we are going to, in the map, uh, so we are going to uh, run this loop, for each loop, till this string has any character, 2-char array. So we are going to run this. So for all of the characters, we are going to run this loop. Okay, so and what are we going to do in the loop? So if this map, okay, map dot contains, so any particular character, this character, if this map contains this character, then what are we going to do? If that contains that particular character, then we are good. I mean, if contains that key, then we are going to increase the count of value of that, how many times it has occurred. Okay, so how to do that? Map dot put then c means it is going to put that character, and here we are going to get the map dot get and get c. Okay, so for that particular key, in this case, this is the character. For this character, we are going to get the value. So if we hover upon this get, then it is going to give us integer value, because we are our map is character and integer. So value of this key, it is going to return. So we are going to say that it is going to increase each time it gets the key inside that map. Okay, so each time, like so first time, let's say it is going to get this s, and it found that there is no character in the map. Okay, s character for the first time, it is not going to get any character. Okay, so what we need to do else here, what we need to put map dot put for the first time, then we need to put c comma 1. Okay, so it is going to put that character in for the first time. Okay, here so now s, let's suppose it comes with s in here, and because very first time map is completely empty, so it does not contain that s character, so it is going to come inside else, and it is going to create one entry into the map with character s and value 1. Okay, so here key is going to be s and value is going to be 1. Okay, here at this point, and then again loop will go back, and it will take another character. So s it is going to take again. So here it is going to see that it contains c, it contains that character s. Okay, so what it is going to do, this is going to return me boolean, which is true, and come down, and for this character, for this key in here, it is going to update the value to +1, which means here it is going to get the key as s. Okay, and it is going to update the value to 2. Again, it is going to get that d, and because d is not available in the map, so it is going to create another entry into the map as d as key and value as 1. And again, it is going to, so likewise, it is going to create complete map of the complete string with each character, how many times it has been in the string. Okay, so with this, we are going to get all the characters count. And here, what now we are going to see, let's see if let's print this map. Let's see how many times what characters are there. So for to print this map, we need a character entry set. So character comma integer. Okay, so entry and in what map dot, and we need to create this in the entry set. Okay, so now let's print this. So let me print one each get key and plus here and here. I am going to put some space and entry dot value. Okay, so it is going to print all the values. So let's run this till this point. Okay, we haven't called this. Okay, so here let me pass this. Okay, so it has given us. Okay, so see, R has occurred 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like S has occurred twice, thrice, 2 times here and 1 time here. D has occurred 3 times, 1 time here and 2, 3 times here. T has occurred 2 times again. So there was V, which has occurred 1 time, W has occurred 1 time. But you see, it has not maintained the order, right? This hash map has not maintained the order of insertion, because first character which went in the map was S, not the R, right? But you see, S has come on second position. So that is the issue with hash map. Hash map does not maintains the order of insertion. So that's why it is not the best choice for us to solve this particular question. So what is the next solution to this? So there is another class in the map which implements map interface, which is linked hash map. Okay, so linked hash map basically okay, so linked hash map basically has, you see, constructs an empty insertion ordered linked hash map instance with the default initial capacity of 16 and load factor 0.7. It is not important for us, but linked hash map basically follows the order of insertion. So if we are now run, so everything is fine, because all of like hash map and hash map implements this map interface. That's why both of them have similar methods, so we need not to change anything. So over here, if we run now, we should be seeing the in the order of insertion. So see over here, S was the first character which had been inserted. So S is the first, then D was the second one, D has second, F was the third one, F is the third, W is the fourth one, W is one. Okay, so like that, see, we are getting the way. Okay, so till now, till this point, we are getting the first. Now, how to get the first occurring, like first unique. So we know which is the unique one, which has occurred once. Okay, so W is the first occurring character. So let's see here, just apply one um, because it this for each loop also is going to navigate one by one. It is going to navigate to S, then D, then F, then W, like that. So if entry dot value get value equals to 1, then only we wanted to print this okay, so now we will only get which is the first occurring. Okay, so in this case, it is going to give me two values, which is w equals to 1 and v equals to 1. Okay, let's run at this point. So w equals to 1 and v equals to 1. So, but we want to print only first occurring. So after first occurrence, we are going to print, we are going to put a breakpoint that we don't want to further navigate. We found the first occurring, that's it. Okay, so in this way, it is going to print only one value, which is first occurring. W is equal to 1. So in this way, we are going to solve this question where we need to find out the first unique character of a string. Okay, and let's try with some different. I mean, let's suppose we put this W at the end after this V. Oh, sorry. Or let it be like that. It is going to create confusion. Okay, so now let's see which is the first one. V equals to 1. Okay, so this is how we are going to resolve this question, and this is going to be the answer to this. So if you like this solution, do like my video and share to someone who is in need of such questions. I have complete playlist in the description. And if you have some other solution to this question, please do comment. And I have multiple questions covered in the Java interview question answer series. So you can watch other videos and share them if you find any of video is useful to some other persons. Okay, and that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.